Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix low volume problem on your TCL 60 SE NXTpaper. So first, adjust the media and the call volume in settings. So go to the main page. Now here we will have the sound and vibration. And now here make sure that the media volume is turned all the way here. Now you cannot change the call volume in here, you need to be in a call, but make sure that you also have the sound mode to ring. Also that you have the do not disturb disabled because it can mess up a lot of things. So make sure that this is disabled. And as I mentioned before, the media volume is a key to testing it out, so make sure that it's actually at the fullest. Now after that, try cleaning your speaker or the headphone port. Basically, you have the speakers and the ports right here, so you guys can clean it with either the air compressor or maybe the soft brush. I recommend the compressed air. I think it's much faster and better, so try and check it out. And if it's still not working, then you guys can test it in safe mode to check app interference. So to enable the safe mode, basically the safe mode, before I enter it, I'll tell you about it. The safe mode is basically a mode where you do not have the apps that you downloaded. You only have the system apps, so you guys can rule interference with an apps in the safe mode. So hold the power button. Now hold the power off button, and now your phone will reboot into safe mode after you click OK. You will not lose those apps, they will still be here when you reboot your phone again, so there's nothing stopping you from checking it out. And now you guys can also update the software to fix audio glitches. So go to system and the settings, it's at the bottom, go to system update, and here it will check for updates automatically. So as you guys can see, my system is up to date, and if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it because it can be fixed in the latest updates. They can release a new patch for audio glitches. So yeah, that'd be it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a comment, subscription, and a like. Bye.